Good morning, everyone. I'm back for our lesson for the second quarter, week number 1, with the topic Linear Inequality in Two Variables. First, let us have a recall about linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables is in the form y equals mx plus b or x plus by equals c. The graph is a line, which means all the points that belong to the line are the solutions of the equations. The graph is not a line, but a region. The relational symbols are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. The graph of equation y equals x and the graph of inequalities y is less than x and y is greater than or equal to x are shown below. In inequality, the line or the broken line separates the plane into two half planes. Half of the plane, which is the shaded region, is the solution set of the inequality. The broken line means that the points on the line are not included in the solution set of the inequality, while the solid line means the points on the line are included in the solution set. How to find the solution of linear inequality in two variables? Write first the inequality in equation form. Determine the x and y intercepts or find any 2 points that will satisfy the equation. Connect the points by a line or broken line depending on the inequality symbol. Choose a test point on either side of the line and substitute to the inequality to determine if which point may satisfy the inequality. Shade the regions where the point that satisfies the inequality belong. Example: graph 2x plus y is less than 4. Solution: change the inequality into equal sign, hence we have 2x plus y equals 4. Then solve for the x and y intercepts. For y-intercept, let x equals 0, so y equals 4. Therefore, we have the point 0, 4. For x-intercept, let y be equal to 0, so x equals 2. Therefore, we have the point 2, 0. For the graph, since the inequality is less than, then we use a broken line. The points 0, 4 and 2, 0 are plotted in this Cartesian plane. 0, 4 is in the positive y-axis, while 2, 0 is in the positive x-axis. Choose a test point for both sides of the line. Suppose you take 3, 3 on the upper half of the plane and 0, 0 on the lower part. Substitute disordered pairs one at a time to the given inequality. For point 3, 3 as test point, using the given 2x plus y is less than 4, substitute x and y by 3, so we have 2 times 3 plus 3 is less than 4, and then 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 is less than 4. This statement is false. For point 0, 0, substitute also the x and y by 0 in the inequality 2x plus y is less than 4. We get 2 times 0 plus 0 is less than 4. In here, we have 0 is less than 4, and this is true. Therefore, all the points at the left part of the graph, or the part which is shaded, are solution to the inequality 2x plus y is less than 4. Another example: graph y is greater than or equal to x minus 3. Solution: change the inequality into equal sign, hence we have y equals x minus 3. Then solve for the x and y intercepts. For y-intercept, let x be equal to 0, so y equals negative 3. Therefore, we have the point 0, negative 3. For x-intercept, let y be equal to 0, so x equals negative 3. Therefore, we have 0.30. For the graph, since the inequality is greater than or equal to, then we use a solid line. The points 0, -3, and 3, 0 are plotted in this Cartesian plane. 0, -3 is in the negative y-axis, while 3, 0 is in the positive x-axis. Choose a test point for both sides of the line. Suppose you take 0, -5 on the lower part of half of the plane and 0, 0 on the upper part. Substitute disordered pairs one at a time to the given inequality. For 0, -5, so substitute y with -5 and x with 0 in the inequality y is greater than or equal to x minus 3. Therefore, we have -5 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 3. -5 is greater than or equal to 0, -3 is false. For point 0, 0, this time substitute x with 0 and y with 0. So we have 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 3 or -3. This statement is true. So this means that the shaded region or the region where the origin or point 0, 0 is located are the solutions to the inequality, including all the points on the solid line. How to find the inequality described by the graph? Write the equation of the line by finding the slope and y-intercept of the given line on the graph. To determine the inequality, take one point from the shaded region and substitute it to the equation. Use less than or greater than if the line is broken, and use less than or equal to or greater than or equal to if the graph is solid line. Example number 1. Find the inequality described by the graph. The slope m, which is rise over run, is equal to 6 over -6 or -1. The y-intercept is -6 because it passes the y-axis at -6. The equation would be y equals -x minus 6. Since the line is a solid line, then the inequality is y is less than or equal to -x minus 6 or y plus x is less than or equal to -6. Example number 2. Find the inequality described by the graph. The slope m equals rise over run is 4 over 6 or 2 over 3. The y-intercept is 2 because it passes the y-axis at 2. The equation would be y equals 2x over 3 minus 6. Since the line is a broken line, then the inequality is y is greater than 2x over 3 minus 6 or 3y minus 2x is greater than 6. So for practice and mastery, kindly answer the following in your math notebook, learning task number 1 on page 6 of your module, learning task number 2 on page 8, learning task number 3 and 4 on page 9 of your module. Okay. Thank you and have a good day ahead.